Dzień dobry, good morning everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. Right. So today I'm gonna meet my friend here in Poznan Plaza. So in Poznan actually there are some malls. Poznania, Stary Brouwer, Poznan Plaza, and then M1, and then Galeria Pesca next door. So today I'm gonna show you actually the mall next to the residence area in Poznan. So we were taking the tram from Rineke City, and then this is actually surrounding next to the garden, and that's the apartment. And I think that here is the Poznan Plaza. It's quite old mall, but yeah, let's get inside. So we are here already inside the Poznan Plaza. What I see is that some of the shop here on the left, some of the place are empty, I think for the renovation. The smell of the paint. Yeah, so this mall is quite old mall. Oh, that's the Cinema City on the top. On the right side, boutique shop. On the left, clothes. Optic. Oh, this one is my favorite one. I like to buy the cosmetic product here. Nice. This one is the half price. Yeah. That's the Starbucks basically. And the ceiling, the glass ceiling. Yeah. H&M. Let's see. This is H&M. Carry. Sephora. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. It's quite an old mall. Yeah. This one is the glass door ceiling, and down there is the flower shop, and here is the Douglas. So it's quite simple mall actually. I think this one is a nice coffee shop. Probably I will have one coffee there. But first of all, I will take you to stroll around the place. The ceiling. Shop. So in front of me is the Spar. It's just like the Hypermart or something like that. There's another glass ceiling. Yeah, on the top I think that is shop or something like that. No, yeah. Let's see. To work with this travel agent, but let's see where is Bali. Where is the Asia? Exotic only Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Philippines, Cambodia, Thailand, Bangkok. So there is no Bali. Ready to go upstairs and show you how it is upstairs. Basically that's the electronic shop. Yes, mostly electronic shops are on the top. Yes, I'm upstairs. So basically the upstairs also the restaurant complex of the food court, but it's not that many food court basically. Only some. Interesting. Let's see. There's over there is Cinema City, which means the cinema, and here the second floor only the shop like this. Right. We go down. This is the escalator, and in front of me a group of students, I guess. I decided to go to one coffee shop. That is, I think this one is the busiest coffee shop here. Look at the tart, so tempting. And almost all the chairs are taken. Like the space here with the bamboo green, even this plastic, but surrounding so many people actually. And yeah, afternoon but quite busy. I think this one is the busiest coffee shop so far. Hot cappuccino. I'm waiting for my friend. Basically, cheers. This is what I actually told my friends in Bali and in Southeast Asia. Basically, the mall here in Europe, especially the mall in Poznan. I was in Berlin before, and in Munich. What I see is that the malls are not big, are not, the mall is not huge like the one that we have in Southeast Asia in general, not like the one that we have in Jakarta. So here the mall is only like, maximum 3 floors, and it is very easy to navigate. So whenever I meet my friends, okay, which mall would you like to meet? Something like that. So yeah, it's very easy. And yeah, mostly that people coming to the mall, they like going to the coffee shop, and then they shopping. So yeah, it's very nice meeting and talking with my friend basically. And actually she is planning to travel to Southeast Asia, and then she plan to travel to Thailand, and then 1 week also in Bali. And when she asking me about how much budget that she has to prepare whenever she's planning to go to Bali for 1 week, wow, I said that it depends on where you stay, depends on your standard, depends on your everything. So if she was in Bali like 2014 or something like that, I said just triple your budget, count triple time. I said like that. Inflation and everything, the cost is surprisingly increasing if you compare like the time when you came to Bali and the time today. Like for example, I think before pandemic you can buy the beer for 30,000 rupiah. Now on the beach probably you should pay minimum 50,000 or 60 or 80,000 rupiah. So whenever you come to Bali, just I said to her that bring your lots of credit cards and bring lots of money and you will be fine. So this one is the Poznan Plaza. That's a nice bridge connecting, and that's the housing complex. And next to the Poznan Plaza, I think that's in front of me is another mall. Actually in this area there are 2 malls, Poznan Plaza, and that is the Galeria Pesca. Let's go there. If I'm already here, I would like to see and explore this area. And this area is actually mostly for the residents, right? And just like in front of me, you see like this kind of the blocks. I think that if I flash back again, it's look like the HDB block in Singapore. So if some of my Singaporean friends still watching my video, maybe you can confirm about that. And yeah, let's go. That's in front of me is the Poznan Plaza. We were there before, and in the middle I think that's the Lemon Plaza Hotel. And here next to me is the Galeria Pesca. It's another mall. Let's go there. Inside the Galeria Pesca, so first of all we will see the Carrefour inside, and then there are some shops, some open. Basically it look like in Poznan, yeah, but maybe the the previous generation, or I can say the older version. And Yeah, let's see. I think that mostly the shop, something like that. I don't know, this one is closed. Another coffee shop, that's the Teddy, and this one is the City Fit Fitness. Yeah, so I told you like 2 floors only. So I actually going shopping. That's the Media Markt. I bought one thing here, and that is in front of me is actually the food court, another food court. Nice. Let's see. Smell of the food. They have KFC, they have a Asian restaurant there, they have Spinks, they have a Pizza Hut. So, and that's in front of me is the children playground. But I can see that shopping in the Carrefour is actually more expensive than in Lidl and Biodromkang. So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Cheers! We were in the 2 malls actually. The first one is Poznan Plaza, and this one is the Galeria Pesca. So it's nice. Now it's time to go home. Waiting for the bus 191 to go home in 2 minutes. And here is the traffic situation. Basically, yes, that's the housing here. And here down here, I was here. This is the tram line, and that's the housing complex, and here is the mall. So yeah, that's over there is the housing and also children playground.